How are we doing, folks? James Farrer here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 181 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this black sapphire metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport aerodynamic body kit, the front M Sport front bumper with parking sensors, the BMW LED headlights. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the privacy glass in the rear, the high gloss black trim finish, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, the rear LED tail lights. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. Now folks, let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 520D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit, the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. It has features such as enhanced Bluetooth, media and radio, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, and many other extras. Or if you want to quickly access some of the features, you have the BMW iDrive system, the interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a grey piping and stitching. You have the platinum trim finish surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. Right now it is in blue, but you can choose from a range of different colours. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have the keyless push button start ignition, air conditioning, heated seats. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. You have the automatic hold, the electric e-brake. This car is also fitted with 360-degree parking sensors. Also on board is the BMW SOS service system, the BMW pedestrian safety system, and many other extras. Now folks, like I said, that was just a quick look around this 181 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, folks.